want to double-click on one of these that is just so critical in the serverless world, and that's the principle of least privilege.
The principle of least privilege. This is huge. I mean, it's always important, but in serverless, it's on a whole other level. Think about it. Your app might be made of hundreds of these tiny functions. It's so tempting to just give them a generic, powerful role to save time, but that's a massive risk. If an attacker gets into just one of those overprivileged functions, they could have the keys to the kingdom. So the rule is simple, but crucial. Give each function only the permissions it absolutely needs to do its one specific job, nothing more.